when you think about the bread baking process and you think about it from start to finish, some of the basic supplies that you need to make bread at home. First, you need some mixing bowls. You don't need a mixer, just need some bowls, a plastic scraper, plastic wrap or some linen to cover that bowl whenever it's fermenting. You need to have scale to weigh out your ingredients. You need to be able to divide your dough with a metal dough knife. You basically need a surface to proof your dough on, and then you need some type of container to proof your dough in. So that container could be a banneton or some type of basket that's lined with linen. It could just be a board with a linen towel that you're rolling up and folding into a couche shape. And remember again, couche is a French word for that linen that the bread proofs on, and it simply means to sleep. So while your bread is sleeping or resting, it has some support from that linen. You also need, when you're getting ready to bake, you need some type of either a pizza stone or some tiles, or you need some type of like Dutch oven or like a lodge Dutch oven. You also need a lame if you're going to score your bread, and I just wanted to show you that this is the lame that I'm using, and it's basically the holder, and that's called a lame, and then a razor blade that you sort of put onto the holder. You also need a spray bottle and some way of making steam in your oven. Unless you're using a Dutch oven, then of course you don't need any kind of steam. And then generally you need a cooling rack, although if you didn't have a cooling rack, your bread would still cool fine on your kitchen counter. And those are some of the basic supplies that you need when you're starting out making bread at home.